Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any videos. A round of applause to Nomzamo Mbatha. Indeed, she is a hero. She took to Instagram to say that 1 million vaccine doses are to be delivered to the vulnerable communities. Like, who does that? Well, it's Nomzamo. Also, she expressed how excited to be part of something this big. With their own words, she went on to say, COVID-19 is not over for anyone until it is over for everyone. What a good image she is raising for herself. I am very excited, honored and humbled to be part of something this big, and this is impactful, and that will truly touch the world's most marginalized and most vulnerable communities. One thing this pandemic has shown us is that it was the great equalizer. In fact, it lifted the lid of invisibility to show the vast inequities and the gross inequalities that continue to not only plague the African continent but communities around the world, said Nomzamo Mbatha. She then urged those that can to lend a hand in helping vulnerable communities. Here is the video she shared.
She's smiling, she's beaming. What is it? Well, it's good news, and I love sharing good news. I love delivering good news, and I love making good famous. And I'm so very excited and so very honored and so very humbled to be a part of something that is this big and this impactful and that will truly touch the world's most marginalized and vulnerable communities. Cotton On Foundation, together with Unicef, will be delivering 1 million vaccine doses. 1 million doses to the world's most marginalized and vulnerable communities. Now, one thing this pandemic has shown us is that it was not the great equalizer. In fact, it lifted the lid of invisibility to show the vast inequities and the gross inequalities that continue to not only plague the African continent, but communities around the world. Now, as we move forward and everyone is celebrating, we're going to be normal again, we're going to be normal soon. Unfortunately, vaccine equity is going to be the global morality test on how we as a global community have treated those who do not have the access to the resources that may be available everywhere else. And I think that's why, for me, it's so important that we continue to say that COVID is not over for anyone until it is over for everyone. For how can we say that we are moving forward when so many are left behind? Now, you're probably sitting there asking, Nomzamo, how can I help? It is simple. There are so many Cotton On Foundation products that you can find at the Cotton On stores around the world as well as online. So you can purchase these. These are masks, tissues, hand sanitizers, water, t-shirts, tote bags. Please support, because each time that you buy any of these products, 100% of these proceeds go towards the Cotton On Foundation, and we can continue to do the work that we need to do. And most importantly, for our current mission at hand, we can continue to deliver the vaccine doses to these communities that need them the most. You have until the 4th of July. You always ask me, how can I help? Well, this is now. Every small river leads to an ocean. I'll see you soon.
I don't know what you think about this. As for me, Nomzamo Mbatha is doing the most. Please drop your comments down below and keep this in mind. Love you.